Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore Snapchat streaks without pain. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you need to restore Snapchat streaks without pain, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the Snapchat application and click on your profile in the upper left corner. Then we need to go to the settings in the upper right corner. Great. Now scroll down and select I need help. Next select I lost my snap streak. Here you can read some tips, and if it didn't help you, then scroll down and click on the cross. Next select the first option. This article didn't answer my question or solve my problem, and click submit. Next select this form highlighted in blue text. We have a page where you need to specify your information and your problem. So enter your username, then your email address, then your phone number and device, including brand, model and series. Next friend's username and when did you start having this issue. Answer the following questions: how long was your snap streak before it expired, and did you see this icon? After that you can write a description of your problem and specify exactly how to help you. Then send this message to Snapchat technical support, and they will consider your problem and try to solve it in the near future. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.